Okay, on this lecture, what we're going to discuss is all about thiols. Sana all may thiols. Okay, so what is thiols? When I say thiols, that is a organic compound. No? This is an organic compound that contains SH. Okay, SH is also known as the sulfhydryl group. Okay, SH, where is it now? SH is also known as the sulfhydryl group. Okay, yeah, almost similar with your OH, no? Yun nga lang, this time we have here sulfur. Now take note guys that thiols, one of its outstanding properties or the most outstanding properties of thiols is yung mga low molecular weight. Low molecular weight of low molecular weight thiols. Okay, low molecular weight thiols is their stench. That's one of the most outstanding properties of low molecular weight thiols, yung stench. What is a stench? When I said stench, that is a bad smell. Okay, it is one of the most outstanding properties of thiols, bad smell. Next, take note also that they are responsible for the smell of those from sewage and rotten eggs. Okay? So may mga tiles yun. The scent of shanks is due to the primary to those of thiols. Now, how are we going to name thiols? No? Parang ang pangit naman, ano? Ang baho mo because you are thiols. Now, why is it, or why thiols has a foul odor? Because of the sulfur hydrate, because of the sulfur. Now, how are we going to name thiols? Okay, we name thiols. Number one is we are going to retain the name of the alkyl group, and we are just going to add the name thiol. Okay, again, the final E of the parent alkane or alkene is retained, and the suffix thiol is added. Let's say, for example, this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, bakit hindi dito nag-start? Nandito yung functional group. So carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4. 2-butene, 1 thiol. Again, location is important. How about this one? Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4. 3 methyl, 1 butane thiol. Okay, or this one, ethane thiol. O bakit po ito sir wala ng 1? Sabi mo location is important. Yes, location is important. But in ethane, no need. Why? Because of there's only there are only 2 carbons in ethane. Whether you put it here or here, at the end of the day, that is still your 1 ethane thiol or simply your ethane thiol. Okay, ibig sabihin, ethane is what? Ethane is exempted in writing the location for thiols. Okay. How about this one? Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. 2 methyl, 1 propane thiol. Or we can also name it based on their common name. So how are we going to name it by their common name? We're going to name the alkyl group, okay, and add the word mercaptan. Ethyl mercaptan. Isobutyl mercaptan. So that is how we name thiols. Now, how about the physical properties of thiols? Now, take note, guys, that thiols is considered nonpolar covalent bonds. Why? Why nonpolar? No? because of very low in its electronegativity. No? Sulfur 2.5, hydrogen is 2.1, which gives you 0.4. Okay? Now, take note guys that thiols shows a little association by hydrogen bonding. Little association by hydrogen bonding because they are nonpolar. Thiols have a lower boiling point as compared to alcohol with the same molecular weight. Methane thiol boiling point 6, ethane thiol 35, 1-butane thiol 98, 1-butanol 117, ethanol 78, methanol 65. Although, what is the assumption? What is the conclusion? As the molecular weight increases, the boiling point increases also. As same thing as your alcohol. However, if we are going to compare it, they are not. Boiling point of thiol is lower than the boiling point of alcohol. Okay. Now, how about for the acidity of our thiols? Take note, people, that thiols are weak acids. No? Thiols are weak acids as compared to the strength of phenols. And take note also, although it is a weak acid, it can react with strong base, no, to form a salt. And that salt is water soluble, no? Sodium ethane thiolate. Thiolate, no? Kapag may crush ka, sabihin mo, sodium ethane thiolate na lang. Okay? And water. Take note, acidity of thiols. Thiols is considered as a weak acid. However, it can react with strong bases. Now, one of the most important reactions of our thiols is no other than the oxidation. And oxidation of thiols will give you what we call disulfide bonds. Take note that thiols are susceptible to oxidation, that they must be protected from contact in air during storage. Why? Once exposed in air, they will easily, no, they can easily, okay, uh, oxidize into a disulfide bonds. Take note also that disulfides are easily reduced to thiols by several reducing agents such as your hydrogen. Well, that could only be possible, no, although they are easily reduced, but it could only be possible in the presence of a metal catalyst. Take note, guys, the oxidation of thiols, no, is also what we call interchangeable. Okay, so paano po naging disulfide ang thiol na ito? So we have here 1, 2, OH. So it's like this. Sige, I can do it. Okay, so oxidation, loss of oxygen, loss of hydrogen. So what will happen is hydrogen, wala, and since both of our sulfur lose electrons, so silang dalawa ang magfo-form, and that is your disulfide bonds. Okay? That is the reaction of our thiols. Take note, guys, no? Take note that our thiols reduce readily in the presence of oxygen. And that is what we call thiols. I hope you learn and enjoy thiols.